Hey guys, welcome back to BWG. Today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Studio. It's an all-in-one platform for you to view your videos, analytics, comments, and everything in between on your YouTube channel. So first you need to go to the top right hand corner of YouTube, press on YouTube Studio. After pressing on your logo, then you're basically prompted with your channel dashboard. This shows you your latest video performance, how it's going in terms of views and impressions through click rate and average view duration. So impressions through click rate basically means how many people click on your video after seeing it on their recommended or being suggested that video. And then the average view duration is the amount of time a person spends on one of your videos, and for that calculated video is 32 seconds. So these are the latest comments here, and these are the comments I haven't responded to. Well, I've hearted them. Yeah, your channel analytics, and now I'm heading on to videos. So here, videos, it takes you back to your channel if you press on that, and there's monetization. So here on your channel, videos basically shows all of your videos that you've uploaded. The views, the likes, the comments, the dislikes, the date it was published. Then you can change the amount of videos you see in one page. You can make it 50 or 30 or whatnot. So here you have the visibility, it's private or public. You can change it to private if you want from the drop down menu. Then I'm just going to press cancel there. There's no restrictions there because my videos have not been copyright claimed or copyright striked. Then you have the date the videos have been published, right? So you see that the earliest video I published was in June 25th, 2017, and the latest video I published was October 30th. There you got the same views, you got the highest amount of video views is 9,000 plus, and then the lowest amount is 1 view. So I'm gonna put it back to date, and you can see it's normalized now. You can see the latest video. Now also you can see the comments there, but I'm gonna go ahead on it to live, and this is all the live videos I've done, the live streams and things. Basically the same, you can fix around with that. If you've live streamed, there's the likes versus the dislikes, so how many people have liked your videos, you can see that. How many people have disliked, you can see that as well by hovering over the 3 likes or whatever that's been present there. So here are the comments for that video. You can see how many comments there are. You can see the comments that I haven't responded to, and you can also edit your individual videos actually. If you want to put an end card, you can do that, which is basically a thing you see on many big YouTubers. They have like a thing there which you can click on, video thumbnail and whatnot. This is the individual analytics. So this is the since published from October 5th, 2020. I got 55 views, which is normal. And then you've got 30 minutes of watch time there. I've gained 1 subscriber from that video, and I've also basically made no money from that video because I am not monetized. So this shows the amount of views cumulative in the whole time. That's the since published, and since uploaded it shows the views you get per day. Some videos don't have a since published, unfortunately, because it just doesn't recognize it. It just hasn't been, wasn't started during that time. You can enter the details of the video, your tags, your thumbnail, the audience description, title, visibility, end screen cards, everything like that. And I'm gonna head on over to channel videos, and then yep, there's playlist there, what playlist you have. Then you can go on over to analytics, shows the overview. So the views in your last 28 days, I've got 2,565 views in the last 28 days, and 25.9 watch hours in the last 28 days as well. I've made 4 subscribers, and these are all the top videos. So I've gained 713 from that, and 671 from the A3 page. These are all the latest videos as well I've published. And you can have like a small dashboard. You have a small dashboard of all the analytics there. So here are the views in the last 48 hours. I've got 146 views in the last 48 hours. Those are the views per hour, so I'm getting around like 2 to 5 views per hour on average. And then you can change to last 365 days, lifetime 2020, 2019. You'll see all the views, watch time and subscribers. So in the last 365 days I've made 72 subs, 24,000 views, and whatnot. So this is the reach here. I'm showing you the impression. So an impression is basically how many times a video is shown on someone's suggestion page or recommended page. And there you got the views there from the impressions, and my impression click-through rate is 9.8%, which basically means that 9.8% of those impressions are actually being successfully clicked on. And I've made 188 watch hours from those impressions, and I've gotten 15.7 thousand views worth of impressions there. These are the external traffic sources, which are the search engines used to basically search for your videos. These are just the playlists there, popular uploads from BWG and whatnot. Then I've got the suggested videos here. So these are some of the most popular videos that have suggested my videos. You've got like a Dutch thing there and whatnot for 8.3, and then you've also got the YouTube search and whatnot. So whatever people have searched on YouTube for your videos to pop up, you can actually cater those searches to your tags. And there you got the comments that I haven't responded to, which I have actually responded to, but I'm going to go back to engagement here, which shows the watch time and the average view retention. I'm actually not making any money, so I don't get anything there. Then the top views, videos by end screen, and top videos in terms of watch hours and like watch time as well. So here you go, you get the watch time, some subscribers, 93% not a subscriber, female, male, gender. You've got the age group that watches my videos. You've got the countries as well that watch my videos. So what countries watch my videos? You've got like US, Australia, India, the UK, Pakistan, and the top CC subtitle languages as well, which basically show what languages your videos have been watched in. So apparently people have 1.9% of people have seen my thing in English, 98.9% have seen it in literally no subtitles. So here are all the comments that I haven't responded to. I have responded to these ones, but they're just other comments, they're like spam comments and that, and I've also liked them as well. So if you like a comment, then it shows that it still shows that they haven't responded to it, right? And if you press X on the thing, it basically shows you all the comments ever on your videos. So yeah, and now we can go on to subtitles here. So this is like the languages, the subtitles have been there, and I can go to monetization. So I need exactly 856 more subscribers to make it to 1,000, and I need around 3,722 more public watch hours to make it to be eligible for monetization. So here you can also customize your channel. So the channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed is that Peri Peri Pizza video, and for the returning subscribers, the Sky Jackson's Exposed video. Yep, that's pretty much it. You got the audio library, which shows you all the songs and things, backing tracks you can put to your video. If you go back to customization, you can see branding, so you can change your profile picture, the banner image which shows on if you click on the channel profile, and the video watermark. So you can also change the basic info which people see in your about section there, or what shows on your channel dashboard when you open up the thing. You can see Flipagram, Instagram and whatnot. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Hope this was informative.